What if the last job humans ever have isn't building houses, writing software, or performing surgery, but creating the artificial intelligence that eventually replaces every other profession? It sounds like science fiction, yet advances in AI are happening so quickly that many experts believe this question is no longer hypothetical. The future of work may be changing faster than anyone imagined. For centuries, every major technological revolution eliminated certain jobs while creating entirely new industries. Steam engines, electricity, and computers all transformed society. But artificial intelligence could become the first technology capable of learning, adapting, and performing intellectual tasks across almost every profession. Today, AI can already write articles, generate realistic images, compose music, translate languages, and help programmers produce software in minutes. Each new breakthrough expands the list of tasks once believed to require uniquely human intelligence. In healthcare, advanced AI systems analyze medical scans, identify diseases earlier, and assist doctors in making difficult diagnoses. Rather than replacing physicians today, these systems already demonstrate how machines can dramatically increase speed and accuracy in life-saving decisions. Law firms are beginning to use AI to review contracts, summarize thousands of legal documents, and identify important information within seconds. Tasks that once required days of careful work can now be completed in only a fraction of the time. Factories are becoming smarter every year. Intelligent robots can assemble products, inspect quality, and adapt to changing production lines without becoming tired. Automation is no longer limited to repetitive work, but increasingly involves complex decision-making. Restaurants, supermarkets, airports, and warehouses are also evolving. Self-service technology, delivery robots, and AI-driven logistics are quietly transforming everyday life, reducing the need for human involvement in many routine operations. Even creativity is no longer exclusively human. Artificial intelligence can generate paintings, films, voices, and music that are becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish from work created by people, raising entirely new questions about originality and artistic value. As AI grows more capable, society faces a deeper question than simply which jobs disappear. If machines eventually perform almost every task more efficiently than humans, what unique role will still belong to us, and how will we define purpose in that future? Some researchers believe humans will increasingly guide, supervise, and align artificial intelligence rather than compete against it. Designing ethical rules, defining goals, and ensuring AI serves humanity could become one of our most valuable responsibilities. Others imagine a future where people spend less time working for survival and more time creating, exploring, teaching, and building meaningful relationships. AI could handle routine labor while humans focus on imagination and innovation. Perhaps the greatest skill of the future will not be memorizing information, but asking the right questions. As AI becomes more powerful, human judgment, critical thinking, and responsibility may become even more valuable than technical ability alone. In that future, humanity's greatest achievement may not be performing every job ourselves, but creating intelligence capable of solving problems beyond anything previous generations could imagine, while ensuring it remains aligned with our values. The last human job may never disappear because it depends on something difficult to automate: responsibility. Deciding how powerful technologies should be developed and used requires ethics, long-term thinking, and accountability that society may always expect from people. So if artificial intelligence eventually becomes better than humans at nearly every profession, what do you believe the final human job will be? Share your thoughts below, and as always, keep drifting into the future. The future isn't coming, it's already here.